Hello and welcome to Advitiya. As part of Advitiya, we are also conducting live drawing. Let us know more details about live drawing with our chief organizer Nandini. Hello.
Hello guys, this is Nandini and me and Sudarshan are the organizers of this event. So we planned this event in such a way that we wanted to take out all the creative skills and imaginative skills from all the participants. We have given 5 topics to all the participants. They are environment, women empowerment, tourism, wildlife. So from these we have selected 2 topics, women empowerment, because this topic is very trending. Many people are conducting so many seminars, webinars, and it has been being a lot of trend about improving the women in the society. So that's why I have chosen this one topic, and the other topic is wildlife. Because యానిమల్స్ ని మనం సిటీస్లో ఉండడం వల్ల యానిమల్స్ యొక్క లైఫ్ని మనం ఎక్కువ గుర్తించట్లేదు. సో ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు బ్రింగ్ అవుట్ సమ్ థాట్స్ అబౌట్ వైల్డ్ లైఫ్. సో అందుకోసం ఈ 2 టాపిక్స్ మేము చూస్ చేసుకొని వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చాము. సో దీనికి వచ్చేసి 1.5 hours 2 hours అలా టైం ఇచ్చాము ఫర్ డ్రాయింగ్. అండ్ సో 23 members పార్టిసిపేట్ చేశారు అండ్ ఈవెంట్ బాగా జరిగింది. ఐఎమ్ సో హ్యాపీ.
Thank you. We have some of the participants who are participated in live drawing. Let us know their experience in live drawing. Hello.
Hi, my name is Yeshwant. It was a great experience in the drawing competition. The time and the given task was challenging, but as well as it is also satisfying that there is a sufficient time to drawing. So it was a great experience.
So, is there anywhere that you have participated like live drawing previously?
Yeah, actually in Hyderabad on the portrait drawing, and I got a 3rd position. But okay, but I'm happy to be here, and it was a nice environment over here. Thank you.
Comparatively, in you have previously participated, right? Which one you feel like better? Like if we have some drawbacks that you wanted to mention in here that we can improve upon, right?
No, there is no any drawbacks here. It is very convenient, very time sufficient, and very comfortable here. There is no problem at all. And the task which I have given, that giving 5 and practicing all them and giving to anything, it was a great choice and option. So it was a great experience.
Okay, thank you. So tell me about your little bit introduce about yourself and let us know about your experience about live drawing.
Hi bro, my name is Pradeep from MCA background. So I was completing this very good, and this is the first time I was participating in RGM. Now only I came one week back ago. So it is a very good options to tell about to draw in painting. I was drawn women empowerment. It is very good for all of them. So it is also the improve skills to all of the members who can give our talent to the colleges or any events. So this is the main opportunity to participate in this event. So I was feeling very happy.
Okay, thank you. So little bit explain about introduce about yourself and tell your experience about live drawing.
First of all, thank you for giving this opportunity for introduce myself. Myself Mohan. I am studying MBA in SREC college. I draw topic women empowerment. Women empowerment is to overcome the women to do any work in society. That's the topic I chosen from draw. That's it.
Okay, thank you.